This is Hong Kong. This is also Hong Kong. Welcome to Lamma Island, Lam A. It's where the Hong Kongers go to get away from, well, themselves. Located just to the south of the main Hong Kong island, this once quiet fishing village has turned into a popular weekend destination. The most popular ferry route is from Hong Kong's Central Terminal to Lamma Island's Yung Shue Wan Terminal or to the Sok Kwu Wan Terminal further south. Yung Shue Wan is the most touristy part of Lamma Island, and visitors will see plenty of restaurants, cafes, and shops around the pier area. Despite the influx of visitors, Lamma Island still retains some of its old-school charms. Except for emergency vehicles, cars are not allowed on the island. We plan to do a walking tour of the island, start from Yung Shue Wan in the northwest, all the way to Sok Kwu Wan, also known as Picnic Bay, in central Lamma Island. The total walking distance is approximately 5 kilometers. We also plan to stop by 2 beaches along the way. After a 30 minutes walk from Yung Shue Wan, we reach the first beach, Hong Beach. Hong is the nearest beach to Yung Shue Wan Pier. Thus, it's quite popular with weekend visitors. This beach is swimmable, and like most on Lamma Island, it has lifeguards on duty except during winter months. After a brief stop at the beach, we resume our walking tour. The trails were hillier than expected. We took frequent breaks, including stopping by Kiki Cafe for a bowl of refreshing tofu pudding. Soon after, we reached the Lo So Sing Beach. Although far away from any of the ferry piers, this beach was still quite popular. With the sun about to set, we still have a few kilometers to cover before it gets dark. This spectacular sunset view alone was worth the trip. Lamma Island's highest point of elevation is only 95 meters, but the trails were hillier than expected. Many Hong Kongers flock to Lamma Island just for this sunset view. We reached a pagoda called the Lo So Sing sitting out area. It has a spectacular view of Sok Kwu Wan Bay below. From there, we are only 1 kilometers away from the Sok Kwu Wan ferry pier. Finally, after walking 5 kilometers, we have reached Sok Kwu Wan, also known as Picnic Bay. Sok Kwu Wan is quieter and less touristy. The only attraction, if we could call it that, is the Tin Ho Temple. As for the other main attractions, visitors flock to Lamma Island for the fresh seafood, often at a fraction of the cost compared to Hong Kong main island. Any restaurants you choose will almost certainly has a waterfront view. We had dinner at the Peach Garden Seafood Restaurant. The prices were quite comparable along the ferry pier area. The seafood were very fresh, but my favorite was the pissing prawns, lai liu ha. They were the size of lobsters. Stuffed with food and happy memories, it's time to say goodbye to Lamma Island. 再見南丫島. Thank you for watching and happy travels. If you like this video, please hit that like button. Please check out my other travel videos from Hong Kong, Macau, China, Japan, US as well as Canada.